Hi, good morning. I'm Kibibi, your host for the Woman to Woman show in Jamaica. My topic is about rape, abuse, physical, mentally, and verbally abuse. There's so many women in this world who is suffering. They're in pain because they have not seek counseling. They can't talk to anybody about it. So they're in so much pain. But I'm here to let you know that I'm willing to help you. Don't ask me to walk a mile in your shoes. I've been there. I've been raped. I've been abused. But I no longer see myself as a victim. I'm a survivor. So let us join hands and heart together and speak up about it. And no longer see ourselves as victims, but survivor. So we can help to heal each other by talking up. No longer feeling scared. No longer feeling alone. But beating all odds and beyond the wildest expectation, we can now soar because we are no longer trapped in our past, but we are looking forward to our future. So I'm your host Kibibi for the Woman to Woman Talk Show. My co-host will be Rebecca Reed and my guest will be Miss Foster. So we are starting. So just look out because it would be a change and we are going to take the world by storm. Kibibi, check it out.